Let me show you how you can start making $300 on your TikTok account. All right, this tutorial is for everybody. All right, it's for what? It's for everybody. See, I will show you the step by step how you can start making this $300. A lot of people has been making this money on TikTok, but this simple challenge I'm going to show you that will blow your mind. All right, so let's go.
All right, so the next thing you are going to do is click on your TikTok app. All right, once you get to your profile like this, click on the three horizontal zone here, click it, then you see creator tools. All right, then click on creator tools, then you go to work with artists. All right, so you click on work with artists. All right, so here is a lot of campaign. How do you work with artists? You can see the tips. The first song here, you can see the title of the song. Once you participate in this challenge here, you are going to earn $100. You can see a lot of challenge. This one is $300, this one is 300, this one is 300. So there are a lot. You can, check this particular work with artist page every day to see a new campaign and artists, the artist songs you can participate with. All right, let me show you something. Once you click on these tips, you see get rewarded for videos using the artist songs. The better your video perform, the more you earn. All right, start creating and submitting your video now. All right, so these are the tips. Once you are done with this, then you can submit it. All right, let me show you again. Once you click on this campaign, they are going to bring these options for you. All right, they are going to bring this option. You can see top 100, top 1% $100, top 2 $250, top 3 they say 3 that is $25, and we have $13. All right, so you can try participate. Make sure you go through the requirements. Okay, make sure you go through the requirement. Important notice: do not buy views or likes. Any fraudulent activities will be detected and disqualified. Okay, disqualify you for the future campaigns. Follow the brief. Get your dancing shoes on for that is the song title. All right, and start a chance to win some dollars following the tutorial. All right, so you can see now, and the moves. You must meet this requirement and use the specified track to showcase your activities. All right, so you can see. So here in our video style, they give the style of the video. So once you click on this video now, you will see exactly how the style is. You can see. All right, so you can see it like this. So this is the style of the campaign. So make sure you go through the style of the campaign, and once you are done, you understand, once you are done, you can decide to my submission, or you use sound. You can see use sound, you understand. Then you click on it, then you make your videos, then you submit the video. After the submission, trust me, you are going to earn some good dollars. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, please share this video.